show you how you can perform a basic network assessment on your targeted IP address and how you can perform um, the basic assessment on a targeted domain name as well. So this is my Linux machine. I'm just going to open up my Linux terminal. So first of all, I'm just going to make sure I'm the root user. I'm going to run the following command to take me to the root as a root user. So by password, so I am now the root user, as you can see here. So what we're going to do is to make sure our package managers are up to date. So I'm going to run the following command: update. So after making sure that my package manager is up to date, I'm going to make sure I have my nmap installed. Nmap. So it's checking my nmap to make sure it's installed. I will do the same for whois. Whois. So both nmap and whois are installed on my Linux machine. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go into the target folder and create my script. So I want to create my script in downloads folder. So I'm going to run the following command: cd greater than / downloads. So we are now into the downloads folder. So I'm going to go ahead and create my script. Touch nmap underscore results .sh. So we have created our script into our downloads folder. The name of our script is nmap underscore results. So make sure you end the name of your script with .sh so that the system will recognize it as a bash script. So the next thing I'm going to do here is to go into our nano editor. Before we go into our nano editor, let us make our script executable by running the following command: chmod +x nmap underscore results .sh. So our script is now executable. So let us go into our nano editor. Nano nmap underscore results .sh. So this is our nano editor. So because of time constraints, I have written my script already, so I'm just going to copy it and paste. Our script is very lengthy. If I have to start all over again and write the script in this video, it will be very boring and it will be a very long video. So let us go where I have written my script. So this is my code editor here. I'm going to copy this script already. I've written here already. Command A, Command C. So I'm going to paste my script into our nano editor. Paste. So this script will be made available when you comment on this video. Just give me a shout out or send me a DM if you need the script, because I can't paste this script in the comment because it's too lengthy. As you can see, it's very lengthy. It cannot contain in the comment section, and it cannot contain in the title of this video as well. So I have to send it separately for people that need the script. So I'm going to save my script by running Ctrl O, enter. Then I will exit the nano by running Ctrl X. So this is, we have written our script in the nano, in our nano editor now. So let us test out what we have written to see if it works. So we are going to run the following command: sudo dot forward slash nmap underscore results dot sh. Enter. So it's going to ask us to put our target IP address, which means the script we wrote is working. Our bash script is working. So let us put um, any IP address. Let us try this IP address: 86.161.200. So our nmap is scanning this IP address and gathering all the necessary information about this IP address. It will show us all the ports that is open. It will show us if our port is secured or not, and the HTTPS port our IP address is listening to. So as you can see here, it's showing us that our host IP address is up and have a latency of 0.0071 second, which is good. All 1000 scan ports on our host IP address ranging 86 to 167 are filtered. So our IP address is provided by BT, as you can see here. So let me see what else we have in the results. Uh, yep, one IP address scan in 0.16 second. Perform a network scan on this as well. The timestamp is here as well, as you can see. Yep. So this is the result of our IP scan. So let us run this command as well to check any particular domain name. Sudo underscore nmap underscore result dot sh. So let us maybe put www.google.com. So our whois utility is going to scan the domain name for Google and will give us the result of this domain name. It will give us registered information of this domain name and all other properties. So it's still gathering the information for targeted domain name. So let us give it a little time to scan this domain name and gather the necessary information that we need. So as you can see, it's scanning the IP address. So this is the IPv4 address for google.com. It may not be the real IPv address because because of DHCP server, dynamic host configuration protocol server, which alternates the IP address, or this might be the subnet address for google.com. So let us see whatever the other results we have as well. Uh, so this is the IPv6 address for google.com. It didn't scan it, so DNS record for the IP address. Yep, okay. One IP address, one host is up, scanned in 0.08 seconds. So at the moment, our code is performing port scan on google.com and is starting up nmap. So let us give it time to perform the necessary nmap search on google.com. As you can see, this is our assessment for google.com. This is our assessment. So this, with this information, any network engineer or network administrator or cloud engineer or threat hunters can read the results of google.com and fish out any necessary information they want to fish out to see if their IP address or their domain name is under attack, or if there is a man in the middle attack for google.com, or if there is um, any port that is open. So that is how you can write a bash script to perform a network basic assessment. So what we have written, the bash script we have written will gather the domain name, registration, and DNS information of any targeted domain name, and it will conduct a port scan with with service detection as well. So it will also check and verify that your nmap or your whois utility tool is installed. If it's not installed, when you run this command, this bash script command, it will ask you to install your nmap or your whois using your specific package manager. So guys, if you want to see more of these videos, give me a shout out, like my video, drop a comment, save the video, follow me on my page, and let me know what else you want me to do a video on.